वेलकम टू फ्री स्टडी अलर्ट। आज आप लोगों को बताऊंगा इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ इंडियन पॉलिटिक्स पार्ट 2। ये सभी एग्जाम्स के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द संसद स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज ऑप्शन ए 25, ऑप्शन बी 26, ऑप्शन सी 27, ऑप्शन डी 28। करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी 26। Then question number 2, the formation of linguistic states in India started with option A Haryana, option B Maharashtra, option C Assam, option D Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer is option D Andhra Pradesh. Then question number 3, largest percentage of revenue is earned by the government of India from option A custom duty, option B excise duty, option C income tax, option D wealth tax. Correct answer is option B excise duty. Then question number 4, the first to become bifurcated after independence was option A Bombay, option B Bihar, option C Assam, option D Bengal. Correct answer is option A Mumbai. Then question number 5, Cripps mission visited India in option A 1942, option B 1946, option C 1948, option D 1950. Correct answer is option A 1942. Then question number 6, the Indian Constitution was enforced on option A 30 January 1950, option B 26 January 1950, option C 28 January 1950, option D 30 January 1950. Correct answer is option B 26 January 1950. Then question number 7, protection of the interest of the minorities is envisaged in which of the following articles? Option A 29, option B 14, option C 19, option D 32. Correct answer is option A 29. Then question number 8, Indian President and Prime Minister are a replica of the leads of the state of which country? Option A USA, option B UK, option C Britain, option D Japan. Correct answer is option C Britain. Then question number 9, right to equality before law is option A social right, option B civil right, option D economic right, option D political right. Correct answer is option B civil right. Then question number 10. Which part of the Constitution deals with the directive principles of state policy? Option A, Part 3. Option B, Part 4. Option C, Part 2. Option D, Part 5. Correct answer is option B, Part 4. Then question number 11. What is the maximum membership of a state legislative assembly? Option A, 400. Option B, 500. Option C, 600. Option D, 700. Correct answer is option B, 500. Then question number 12. The right to property is a option A, legal right. Option B, fundamental right. Option C, universal right. Option D, free right. Correct answer is option A, legal right. Then question number 13. The chairman of the Public Accounts Committee of the Parliament is appointed by option A, President. Option B, Prime Minister. Option C, Finance Minister. Option D, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Correct answer is option D, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Then question number 14. To be a member of the Lok Sabha, a person has to be option A, 25 years. Option B, 30 years. Option C, 35 years. Option D, 28 years. Correct answer is option A, 25 years. Then question number 15. Which of the following is also called the House of Elders? Option A, Rajya Sabha. Option B, Vidhan Sabha. Option C, Gram Sabha. Option D, Lok Sabha. Correct answer is option D, Lok Sabha. Then question number 16. How many members of Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President of India? Option A, 10. Option B, 12. Option C, 14. Option D, 15. Correct answer is option B, 12. Then question number 17. Lok Sabha is called in session for at least how many times in a year? Option A, once. Option B, twice. Option C, thrice. Option D, 4 times. Correct answer is option B, twice. Then question number 18. What is the maximum number of elected members in a state assembly? Option A, 200. Option B, 300. Option C, 400. Option D, 500. Correct answer is option D, 500. Then question number 19. The maximum number of Anglo-Indians who can be nominated to the Lok Sabha are option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Correct answer is option A 2. Then question number 20. The maximum time gap between two successive sessions of the parliament can be option A 2 months, option B 3 months, option C 5 months, option D 6 months. Correct answer is option D 6 months. Then question number 21. Who among the can attend meetings of the Union Cabinet? Option A Cabinet Minister, option B Minister of State, option C Deputy Minister, option D President. Correct answer is option A Cabinet Minister. Then question number 22. What is the minimum age for appointed as a governor? Option A 35 years, option B 25 years, option C 30 years, option D 40 years. Correct answer is option A 35 years. Then question number 23. The entire state council has been set up under option A Article 263, option B Article 283, option C Article 292, option D Article 352. Correct answer is option A Article 263. Then question number 24. The Parliament can amend the Constitution by way of option A addition, option B variation, option C repeal, option D all of these. Correct answer is option D all of these. Then question number 25, last question. Who is the longest serving Chief Minister in India? Option A Chimanbhai Patel, option B Jyoti Basu, option C Bhajanlal, option D Hiteshwar Saikia. Correct answer is option B Jyoti Basu. अगर आप इस क्वेश्चन आंसर को पीडीएफ में डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया गया है, वहां जाकर आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।